Hey YouTube, Mark with Ultimate RC, second flight here today. On the Sabre, we're gonna, part-timers here recording, and so we're gonna do one more flight on this. Pretty nice not late October, earlier in November now. Actually above 50, so we'll take that any day of the week, although it's been a warm fall, but it has been windy, so I haven't gotten a ton of flying in. And then of course just wanted to put this on the channel because of the sale again. Part of the pre-Black Friday sale, some of the first times we've seen this plane on sale. This is probably one of the hotter planes in the last year that has come out as far as jets go at any rate. So we're gonna put it up. Let's see here. We've got our takeoff flaps in, and we've got our air brakes in, and let's get it going. We're in our mid rates again. Here we go. All right. Tail light is really nice on that plane. Some point I will probably put an afterburner in it, but I think it might take away from that tail light, and I really like that. All right, we're gonna go up with it here. Come back down. Ready to roll. Yeah, we're gonna come down. You know, we'll go back up, bringing it down. All right. Again, you do need the space for this plane. More in landing. No thrust reverse on it. I do deploy the air brakes to slow it down. I'm gonna bring it around here. Bring out the gear. Here I've been flying around in my takeoff flaps. We're gonna bring air brakes out, partial.
Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop. Timer stop.
Well, that did not go well, did it?
That was
all
okay.
right. Let's take a look. I think the same gear that I've had problems with gluing, when it hit the ground, it gave way right away. Had that not happened, I think I would have been in okay shape. But now I'm not. All right, well, let's see. I think unfortunately I also have front brake or front gear damage, which is not going to be good. Yeah, that's what happened. This is the same gear that has come out before. So when that hit, she popped out. I swear to God, I can't tell you how much glue I thought I had put into this thing. You check the other videos on when this has come out. The first one was a landing that was pretty benign, and it popped. Here is what I'm more worried about. Not sure how that is going to be fixed. If that is a plastic piece. I don't know if you can see that, YouTube, but I'm guessing that that is supposed to be connected somewhere up in here. Not sure. All right, well, I saw it sinking. I tried to give it a little more throttle, and I just clipped the ground with it. I probably should have just gone aborted. All right, well, there you have it. Like and subscribe, hit the bell. Part of flying jets in spaces that can be challenging at times. So, but again, I do appreciate the support. And don't take my piloting as this being a bad jet. This is actually a very nice jet, so take that into consideration. That landing was on me. So, but thanks again for watching, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Mark with Ultimate RC.